Zoop! Today I'm going to show you how to work with this USB-C power board. This is pretty amazing. All you have to do is feed it USB-C right here, and then it will output whatever voltage that you want. 5, 9, 12, and even 20 volts. Previously, I showed you how to power up the LED lights using this power bank, outputting it USB-C over to this. But unfortunately, the board was defective, so it didn't work. I mean, it did power this LED lights, but not maximum power. So today we're back with a board that actually works, which is this board. Here's a quarter and a dime for size comparison, so you can see how ridiculously small it is. There is no screw holes whatsoever to mount it to hold in position, so it is extremely hard to work with, and that's one of the reasons why I don't like it. Also, to change voltages, you have to create a bridge between two contact points, which is extremely small. My camera is not going to show it, but I'll take a photo of it for you to zoom in later on. Let's connect it to a power bank so you can see what it is by default. Once it's plugged into the power bank, the blue lights will come on. And now we can verify the voltage. Here's a multimeter. And we're getting 12.2 volts. So that's the default voltage, by the way. If you want to get 5 volts out of it, then you'll have to destroy the bridge. There is a bridge right here for the 12 volts. For this lights, I already destroyed a bridge for the 12 volts, and then I create another bridge for the 9 volts because I want to get 9 volts to feed this LED lights. So here you can see that I'm only having it one screw to hold in position, and then I 3D printed a cover to hold the whole thing in position. It's not my best work in 3D printing design, but it does work. Connecting the board to the LED light is pretty simple because the LED light is only using 2 wires, positive and negative, and that's it. Let's power it up. We got blue LED, which is working, and now we can power up the units. Here we go. We are at low power. More power, and even more power. This is the maximum brightness. Alright, let's lower down and then turn it off. Yeah, it's pretty good when I demo something and it actually works in video, right? Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful on how to use this tiny USB-C board for powering all of your devices. If you ever figure out a way on how to mount it, secure it to something, to your devices, please let me know in the comment section. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.